I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. Keep dreaming. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.
Welcome back to day 2 of our Blackwood River trip. So we're just going to do a slow pack up. The March flies are killing us, so we're just going to pack up, take the cars to the boat ramp at the Alexander Bridge campground, and then we're going to drive back, get lifted back here to launch the boat, and we're going to do a day 2 fishing. So try and catch the same species we did yesterday, but we're going to try and target more bream. No luck with the soft plastics and lures yesterday with them. Even though they were trolling, so we're not really targeting them. But yeah, we'll use some bait and we'll get into the snags and we'll throw a couple of lines in and see if we get. But good feed so far, good fish wraps, and then I've got some saved up to the family so we can go back home and we can do a cook up. So see you on the water. See you soon. Alright guys, so the boys have headed home. They've headed home early. So I had the boat parked under the jetty last night. We had a couple of people come down. There was two cars. The first 2 guys were genuine. They're really good blokes. Then we had one early this morning, about 5 AM, and they've stolen 2 of our fishing rods. So all of us can't fish, so it's just going to be me. I want to do a few hours fishing today. It is pretty windy, but I want to try and snag a bream. So what we're going to do is we're going to head out, try and find a spot that's all hidden with the wind, and we'll get out there. But surely, you know, who steals fishing rods? Just leave them in the boat, mate. Not hard. Alright guys, we'll see you on the water. See you soon. There you go. First little fish of the day. Nice little herring. Head back that way, see what we can find and pull up for a spot. There we go, nice little bream. Very small, so we're going to throw him back and hopefully get the big dad. Come on, boy. Have a look at that. That is tiny. That is what you call a baby bream. "12 centimeters. Another little bream, very small, so we'll take the hook out, we'll throw him back. We might troll up the river a bit more, see if we can't catch a bit of tailor or herring again, and then we'll find another spot for another pull up for the bream. Come back. Alright, lure change.
Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me stack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be.
Alright, the wind picked up so bad that I couldn't even fly along. We're in this little bay area, a lot wider. I'm just a little bit protected with this trees behind me, so I've just anchored up. I'm going to change up. I'm going to go from a lure to a bait rig, and we'll throw some river prawns around again and see if we can snag a few bream. I'd love a size bream. I've caught 3 or 4 this weekend, but they're all been small, so. But yeah, just give me a rough idea on where would the big bream be. I've been looking for snags that's fallen into the water and hanging over top, so, and logs and that, but yeah, so far just baby ones. I don't know if it's the wrong time of the year. Let's do that. Let's rig up.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do.
Alright, new spot. Little bream. So still way too small. I don't know. This was hiding under the log. I was just throwing it in there, and there's a nice big log that sticks out where I'm tied to. 20 centimetres. Put him back. Right. Come on. Just one size bream. So I've tried soft plastics with scent. Tried lures into the snags and then brought back out. No good. First time on the Blackwood, so I really enjoyed the Blackwood River this weekend. Shocked me with tailor and herring. Never thought that would be up here. We're about 20 k's away from the mouth, so yeah, it's surprised I came up this far in the river. But bream, there seems to be a lot of bream. Everyone else is catching bream as well. But yeah, they're just small. I don't know if it's the wrong time of the year. If I come down here in the colder months, it'd be bloody cold. If I come down here in July, August, it might be windy as well. But put in the comments below if you guys have been here at a different time. We're currently in February. Let me know what you guys think, if you guys fished on the Blackwood River, and have you had any success. Another little bream, 18 centimetres. Oh, they are a beautiful fish. They do fight hard for a small fish though. So I did right behind that log. Surely there's something big there. Another little baby one. Plenty of those. This one's even tiny. Wow. Look at the size of that. Another one. Oh my god. I don't want to get any smaller. There must be thousands of these in there. I'm starting to think I fished the wrong time of the year. Surely there's a big dad in here. Surely. Give me something. On. Oi. This is a bit biggie. That's better. Not sized. That's a bit better. Little bream. I know the bream population in here in the Blackwood is very, very thick of bream. 22 centimetres, guys. They need to be 25. I'm feeling one, I'm feeling it. It's got to be a big bream under that log. Seems to be a lot of fish under it. Oh, on again. Oh, wasn't expecting that in here. Was not expecting that.
Want to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. Time to stay strong, need to move on. To be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.
Alright, so we've headed back towards the Alexander Bridge now. And I just stumbled over this little bit of a dead area. And I thought I'll throw a line in here. And got that beauty. Nice little size bream. Oh, 24 centimeters. You are joking. Why aren't you 25? I really want to try a bream. This is a good sized bream. It feels like it anyway. It hit that line hard. Please be sized. Oh no. Little baby one. Another little bream. 22 centimeters. There's some big ones around here. Well, bigger ones compared to the last couple spots. Let's hopefully pin one. My line just got hit that hard then, and that was a big fish. That would have been 25 plus. Oh, not giving up. Staying here until I catch a 25. Come on. Come on. Another little size bream. That wind's changed directions now. It's coming from the north. It was the south a minute ago. Another little bream. Right up against that big log now. Oh, this is a big fish. Get it out. Oh. That's decent. There you go. Nice size bream. He has swallowed that hook. So I'm hoping his size 27 centimeters, guys. So as he's swallowed that hook and he's sized, I'm going to keep this one. I'm not going to retrieve that hook, unfortunately. So I'll put that in the esky and let's try for some more bream. Alright guys, we just snagged up there and cut my finger a little bit, but we're gonna call it there. We're gonna call this camping trip here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. There's gonna be much more of this kind of content to come. We've got Shark Bay coming up in 6 weeks, I think, so looking forward to that. And yeah, we'll be coming back down to the Blackwood. I want to try Donnelly River and the Warren River as well, so plenty of trips organised. But caught plenty of fish, so yesterday was mainly herring and tailor. Today we focused on bream, and we got that. We finally got a size bream. What a ripper place this is. If you haven't been in the Blackwood River, you've got to get down here. That is a superb location. I would have liked to get down to Augusta, target some KG, but maybe Augusta will have to be another trip soon. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, hit me up on socials. If you want to come for a camping trip, hit me up. I'm happy to do all that. And yeah, what a magnificent place. If you have any comments about this trip or any questions, chuck it in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them. On what tackle, what rod I used, and what gear I used. So I'm happy to answer those for you. But we're going to fling it back to the boat ramp now. So if you like this kind of stuff and you enjoyed this content, please smash the subscribe button. It means a lot. And smash that like button. Alright guys, we'll see you in the next episode. See you soon. Enjoy the outdoors.
Dreaming. Chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me